Up to $50,000 is what it's going to cost for an in-depth real estate investment coaching program. Is it worth it? And better yet, what are they learning behind closed doors? What's going on, guys? My name is William Dauria. Here on this channel, we learn about real estate investing and financial education. My portfolio currently consists of multifamily units, commercial units, and single-family units. The passive income from it alone has absolutely changed my family's life. Without further ado, let's dive into it. So, thinking about spending $50,000 on your next real estate investment course? Of course not. How about $20,000? Of course not, right? We want to know, what are they learning behind closed doors? I mean, like, what costs $50,000? How could you even justify that kind of investment? I mean, it's possible, I guess, if you're making millions of dollars a year in real estate, right? All the gurus talk about it. It's possible. It happens to somebody, right? It can happen to me, maybe, right? I don't know. What are they learning? I mean, you're going to have to pay $50,000 just to figure out, hey, I got something out of it, or let me go back to my 9 to 5. So here today, we're going to talk about where you can find motivated leads in your area, or your area that you're interested in investing in. So let's break it down. We're going to break it down from equity position, as in we want a paid off house. We want a house with at least 50% equity. We want to break it down to bedroom count. We want to break it down to bathroom count. We want to know exactly what we're after, and we're going to dive in and look at exactly the criteria that you're looking at and nothing else. So let's dive into my computer. Ready? Wait. Okay, that was embarrassing. Hold on. I usually do it the first time. And go. Okay, that worked that time. So the first thing you do is going to go to listsource.com. And you're going to go ahead and make an account, and you're going to go ahead and log in. Once you're in, you are going to click on this right here on the left side. It says create your own. That's create your own list. Okay, from here, we are going to, for this example, we're going to pick a county. So we're going to go on the drop-down list under select criteria to county. And then from here, we're going to go to state. In this case, I'm going to pick my state, which is Texas. And then from here, we're going to go to a particular county called Collin County. And then we're going to go ahead and add that to the list. Okay. So you're going to see on the tab up here, you're going to say mortgage. We're going to go ahead and skip mortgage for now. However, we are going to click on property. Now, from here, it's very important. You see this list right here? It says 284,000 people currently in our criteria. So that list is mighty big, but we have not narrowed it down yet. So from here, we click on bedroom count. And for this example, we're going to look for a 3 to 4 bedroom. Now, you're also going to see that there's also a bathroom count as well, and we can definitely go into that, but for this example, we're going to go ahead and skip that for now. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to equity percentage, not the money sign, the percentage. We're going to click on that. So in this example, we're going to look for paid off properties. We're going to look from a 99% equity position to 100%. Basically, we're looking for everybody that's got a paid off house. Now, if you look over here to the left, we're down to 16,000, okay? Getting a little bit more manageable now. All right, next place we're going to go to is we're going to scroll down to last market sale date right here. We're going to click on this, and we're going to pick something like, let's say 1940 to 10 years ago, 2010. All right, we're going to add that. Now we're down to 4,300, much more manageable list. Okay, so from here, we are going to skip the demographics tab. We are going to skip the foreclosure tab. We're going to go to options now. This is a very important one. Okay, we're going to click on absentee owned. Absentee owned means the owner does not live in that property. It could be a rental property. It could have been a property that was given to somebody at the time of death. It could be a divorcee's property. They both moved on. It is a property that somebody may want to get rid of, and that is called motivation. That's what we're looking for. Click on absentee owned. You scroll down, we're going to see the trustee owned properties. I usually click on exclude. Corporate owned, I usually click on exclude. Now, if you go down to here to address completeness requirements, both mailing and property address complete is what I click on. Now, if you go to purchase list, it's not purchased yet, but it's going to show us here that we have 573 people on that list. Very manageable and a very targeted audience. But if we go down here, based off, this is $118 for 573 leads, by the way. Not bad, considering if you get one of those, that 118 is going to pay itself off many times over. Click on the remove duplicate property mailing address. Say that 3 times. So you're going to click on that, and that's going to drop to 118 because it's going to remove some of the dupe addresses. We're down to 523. Now, you might be saying, well, I don't know, I don't even want to spend $108. It's my very first list. I just want like 100 leads, blah, blah, blah. Okay, fine. So if you go up here to purchase parcel list, you click the tab, and then you're going to see this. And you can say, I want, let's say 100 leads. I just want to try it to see how it works. So you click on recalculate. There you are. There's your 100 leads. It cost you $20. $20, guys. Like the price of you going to Chili's, okay? So this tab up here is called suppression. This is also very important, especially after you've already ordered list in the past. So you click on suppression. This will allow you to not repurchase the same list again and waste your money. Okay, so if you bought a list, let's say 30 days ago, those same names and numbers and addresses, or names and addresses really, won't be on the same list. You won't be buying the same list. So say you want to buy everything that's say 60 days and fresher. You would click 60 days. So everybody in the last 60 days or newer will not be on your list again. Or you can say, hey, we'll recycle. I don't want to see anybody from the last 6 months. You'll click on the 180-day mark right here. So you will get nothing but fresh leads all the time, and you will not be getting any duplicate leads, wasting your time, money, and all that good stuff as well. Okay, and once you've done that, you have officially got a targeted lead list. This gives you exactly pinpoint accuracy to who you're looking for, the bedroom count, the equity, the area, so you can score some really, really great deals. And guys, if you got any value from that video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I put up a video. I like to post a couple times a week. Guys, I want to see you succeed in real estate, and I don't want you to pay $50,000 to do it. Guys, if you like what you see, let me know. Comment below, and I'll see you on the next video.